How to return Temu items. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can return Temu items. So let's get started. So if the item is not correct or if it is damaged, then Temu has a refund policy by which you can return or refund your items. So in order to avail that, you could open your Temu application and then head over to U section over here at the bottom. Once you do so, you're going to click on your orders and you should see all of your orders that you have bought over here. You can see them according to processing, shipped, delivered, and returns. So what you're going to do is click on delivered and you'll be able to see all of your items over here. So let's say if the item that you received was not the one that you want, and if you're not satisfied, then you can simply head over and return or refund it. So you're going to choose the item and the reason, then you're going to click next. If you must return them, Temu gives you a return label. First return per order is free. You can return anytime within 90 days from purchase. Then you get to pack items with original barcodes, print and stick them to the return label and send via USPS or UPS. After inspection, you get your refund either to your original payment method or as Temu credits. Refunds usually appear in 5 to 14 business days, sometimes up to 30 days, and after the return is received. Some items can't be returned, for example, worn clothing such as having missing tags, certain health or personal care items, groceries, custom items, etc. This is according to return and refund policy of Temu. So, well, that is how you can return items on Temu. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.